the Government of Canada water bomber helping out in Los Angeles. You can see it in red, and up in the top left you can see the plane, and all of the yellow is the previous flights of the same plane. So you watch them. It's right at the bottom of the screen. Let me just zoom in a bit here. Picking up water. Oh, there's another plane right next to it. What's that doing? Probably also a water bomber. Watch this, scoop in the water. So that one, the one that's in red, let me just click on it again. Oh, that was this one right here, you see? Quebec, Canada, Quebec, fighter bomber. And I think there was another one. Was there not? Oh, maybe just the one. Anyhow, it's that's a brave job. That's all I can say. There it is, going up to drop water. Oh, actually, here's another one up here. What's this one here? Oh, that's just a U.S. forestry plane, not a water bomber. But it's something else, eh? That's our water bomber there. What's this one here? Oh, there's two water bombers from Quebec, right? See, QE245 is that one. And the other one, oh, is this one here. 243, right? So there's two of them, two Quebec water bombers helping out here in Los Angeles. There you have it, FlightRadar 24.